So this is our test setup. So our IP is sitting inside the FPGA and we have an Arduino here. So what we basically do is that the synthesizable test bench inside the FPGA will send bytes from 0 to 055 through the UART IP core, and our Arduino will receive those bytes here and it will be displayed on the serial monitor. So you will just check out that. First I will reset the IP, then I will enable the test here. So you can see we are receiving the bytes smooth and nice from 0 to 255. So the same byte which is received by the Arduino is sent back to the IP here, which we can see here. I will just reset the IP once more. Here you can see it is receiving bytes from 0 to 255, which is the UART IP is receiving that. So the same byte which is received from the Arduino will be displayed to the LEDs. So the current test conditions are 115200 baud rate, and we have an odd parity check. So that's how we verify our IP on board. Thank you.